1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Keenan. Happy birthday, Keenan. Happy birthday, Keenan. Sige, go.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Hananini. Happy birthday to you. Luna.
Slice siya palangga, then you let him, ano. Yung ano lang, isang iwan lang. Kinani. Blow, blow, blow. Happy birthday, Ate Yan! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Keenan.
Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! You go eat it.
Madam!
Dito, sa ano? Cover. Yup.
There.
Lalikod, joke. Do you like it, baby? Bakit paningkamot, Ana? Uy, uy! Gigamot ko. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Nagagalit siya, hindi niya alam kung paano kainin.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Diyan po man yung imong cake na niya.
It's okay. Okay lang na siya, ma. Okay na nang nasa yung kon.
Dati makagalit siya gusto niya.
Yeah.
Pumunta sila ng Chicago eh. Hindi naman cake gusto niya eh. Oh.
Sige, enough na naman. Hayaan lang siya na mag-ano.
Yan.
Happy birthday! Salarina!
Hanggang ano yan, 10 years old.
Supportive na tito. Open it. Except for this. From Tito Junjo at Eugene. Oh, you open it, anak. Yo, what's that?
Where you applying it?
Oh, Auntie Judy. Say thank you, Auntie Judy. Lola Judy. Next. From
4 or 5 jobs.
Lola Sunny and Lola Danny.
Did they buy you guys?
One, next. Ang healthy na lang na. We just say for... Yes. That's from... Di Costa. Inabot niya kaagad eh. Oh, hindi, you open this. Oh, you read. Open it. You read. Oh! 5 million naman!
5 million?
Oh, you read it muna. For your first birthday. Keenan, today is your birthday, your very first one. And we, the Philippines, will have lots of fun. From 1 year for you.
True.
Birthday, God bless you always. I Nancy and Tia Danny. Thank you, Tita and Tito. Okay, from JJ. Oh, you open it. Oh, there you go. Uy.
No, I didn't work here.
He knows it when it's toys.
But you want something like that, and it's like, oh,
Okay, next. From Tito Junjun. Init. Actually, Tito Enoch, na dito nagluto ang sulong dito. How much? Alam na talaga. Gusto niyo isa na Sandaan yan.
Pila natin?
200 yan. Thank you, Tito. Yung ulo ko. Thank you, Tito Junjun. Oh, ito. Anak, laway anak. Anak ko. Pero marami. Naglalaway. Ay, open. I get that. Wow.
Gilabay.
Mahal pala yun. Tinapon lang. Open it. Oh, good! Give me the light from... Happy birthday, Kinani! Puppies are sweet and a whole lot of fun, but not quite as cute as a birthday one. So there are lots of cuddles and a bunch of hugs for your very first birthday. Hope it's special like you. Thank you! Oh, the last one from the... Get this.
Ganyan din naman si Dylan eh. Ay, tinapon yung mga pera. Yung mga cards, yung ginano niya.
That's correct. Oh, and adorable 1-year-old is just been spotted.
Sure, it's gonna be the same amount, but
Hoy! Bakit may nahulog ka pera dito? Nahiya naman tayo. Okay. Have fun, wish you good things in life. Happy birthday from Tita Sena and Maria. Okay.
Bakit ka sila rito?
Yes, count your blessings. Thank you for everything. Pasok pa dito sa Albertia ni Nani.
every
Thank you. Thank you.
Ay, target. O, punta na ng target.
Punta na. Hindi na dito ko.
Hindi, Scarlett naman to.
Thank you, tita and titas and lolas and lolas. Naghakot ang pera si Kinan eh.
Mapunit yan.
Oh, you put in your cards.
O, pwede mo lang punitin kinantat. Ayan na yung may ano. Yung may,
Open.
wala ka dyan, baka ako magpapalit.
Oh, go for it, ate. No problem. Gabi na din kasi. Ay, paano nakabalot na?
Nabasa na siya.
Dear Kinan, sumulat po kami dahil...
Tanto din ng MMK.
Sabi niya. Dear Kinan.
especially if there's no consent from her. Hell, you are not responsible. If something happened to that place,
Ikat na to yung head
if you say, let's say, Karen Jang or Karen Warren signed off on it, she will be they will be going to her.
Uy!
Regardless if they didn't, you know, have any accidents or anything.
Right.
It'll be her ass.
Para mag-ipahin last time.
Wala, 6 minutes na nga.
Ito pa na.
Para.
Thank you, tatay, for that. Kiss tatay. Kiss tatay. Thank you, tatay. I love you. Kiss nanay. Kinano. Tata, dali na.
Finally, dapat